Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to convert propene to carboxylic acid, right? That is propanoic acid. As you know that propanoic acid has COH group, that is why this is carboxylic acid. It is very clear, right? And we'll also learn how to convert carboxylic acid to propene, that is propanoic acid to propene, right? So let's get started. Well, you know that this is propene, right? And if you add hydrogen bromide to propene in presence of hydrogen peroxide, right? Then the negative part of hydrogen bromide will add to the carbon that has maximum number of hydrogen, right? So bromine will add this carbon and hydrogen will add this carbon. This will happen according to anti-Markovnikov rule, right? So we are getting here 1 bromo 1 2 3 1 bromo propane, right? And now if you add here aqueous potassium hydroxide, right, then this bromine will be replaced by the wedge of potassium hydroxide. So you will get this product which is propanol, and this is alcohol, right? Alcohol. And well, now if you oxidize this propanol by sulfuric acid and potassium dichromate, then alcohol will convert it to aldehyde, right? So we are getting here propanol to propanol. And again, if you oxidize this compound by potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid, then you will get propanoic acid, right? And this is of course a carboxylic acid. Well, now we'll learn how to convert propanoic acid to propene, right? Propene is a alkene, propanoic acid is a carboxylic acid. Well, if you, this is propanoic acid, right? If you add here lithium aluminum hydride in presence of dry ether, then this carbonyl group of carboxylic acid will convert it to methylene group, that is CH2 group. So you are getting here propanol, right? And now if you add potassium pentachloride to propanol, then this wedge will be replaced by chlorine that will come from phosphorus pentachloride, and you will get this. This is 1-chloropropane, right? This is 1-chloropropane, and if you add here alcoholic potassium hydroxide, right, ALE, alcoholic, right, alcoholic potassium hydroxide, then this chlorine will take hydrogen from this carbon, right, and you will get a double bond between this carbon and this carbon, right? So you are getting propene, which is alkene. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.